Do you want to learn how to saute? Welcome to day 21 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. A saute pan has a natural curve to it to allow the food to flip up like a wave and back into the pan. The method is all in the wrist. You're pushing forward and then flipping back towards yourself. I suggest using macaroni or dried beans to practice. It takes some time to get used to it, but I have faith in you. Bye, Little Chef. Let's make some mayonnaise. Welcome to day 22 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. Start it out with 1 egg yolk, splash of white vinegar, and about a cup of oil. Make sure you're whisking constantly as you stream in your oil. Season with salt and pepper, and there you go. I'm going to teach you how to crack an egg with 1 hand. Welcome to day 23 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. We want to make sure we're cracking our egg on a flat surface. This will prevent shells from getting in. We're going to use our middle and index finger to pull the 2 halves apart. It takes a little bit of practice, but you'll get it. Bye, Little Chef. The price of ghee is ridiculous. I'm going to teach you how to make it at home. Welcome to day 24 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. I'm starting off with just 1 stick of butter, just for demonstration purposes, but you can totally do this in big batches. I brought my butter to a simmer, and you'll start to see all of the milk solids rise to the top. I'll skim those off, strain it, and what we're left with is ghee. Ghee is essentially clarified butter, and it's great for high temperature cooking. Without those milk solids, it has a much higher smoke point. The smell and taste of this is also amazing. It's nice and clean and nutty. Did you know that you could make powdered sugar at home? Let me teach you. Welcome to day 25 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. First, you're going to need a food processor or blender. Then, it's a cup of granulated sugar to a tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch is an anti-caking agent, which means that it prevents moisture from making the powdered sugar clumpy. All you need to do is blend it until it looks like powdered sugar, and you're good to go. Bye, Little Chef. Today, I'm going to teach you how to julienne a carrot. Welcome to day 26 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. I'm a high school culinary arts teacher, and this knife cut is my kids' favorite. Just kidding, they hate this cut. Chef, I can't do it. It's too close to my fingers. I'm gonna cut my fingers off. Yeah, they have a point. Number 1, you want to make sure your knife is sharp. Then you're gonna square off the carrot. It's always a good idea to make sure you're working on the flat side of the carrot. This prevents the carrot from rolling around and possibly cutting yourself. So now we have our squared off carrots. We're gonna make 1/8 of an inch sheets. Then stack them up and make 1/8 of an inch slices. And there you go, that's your julienne cut. They should look like little matchsticks. I have this kit that I use for reference with my kids. A julienne cut is 2 inches by 1/8 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch. And then for a brunoise cut, you're just gonna make 1/8 of an inch slices the opposite way. Bye, Little Chef. I'm gonna teach you how to clean your cast iron after daily use. Welcome to day 27 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. Start off by rinsing your pan with water. Then grab a metal scrubber to get off any of the stuck-on food. If your pan's really bad, you can use dish soap to wash it. Don't worry, it's not going to ruin your pan. Throw it back on the stove on high heat, and you're going to get this bone dry. Once your pan is completely dry, you're going to coat it with oil, or some bacon fat. Give it a nice little rub down, and you're good to go. Look how pretty she is. Bye, Little Chef. Welcome to day 28 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. Do you know what that little beak is used for at the end of your potato peeler? It's to get out all of those little nasty bits. Dig into the potato and core it out. Also, keep your potatoes in water to prevent them from browning. Bye, Little Chef. Do you know you're not supposed to scoop directly from the bag when you're measuring flour? Welcome to day 29 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. You're actually just supposed to spoon it into the cup and tap tap slide to level it off. Bye, Little Chef. Welcome to day 30 of Little Chef, where I teach you how to become a little chef. We have smooth blades and dimpled blades. Foods high in moisture will stick to your smooth blades. But if you use a dimpled knife, it breaks that suction and the food should slide right off. Bye, Little Chef.